Okay, so this time we're going to be turning out to a house fire. We're going to run the scenario 3 different ways. So let's see how we go. So we're driving down the street. We're going to take a left-hand turn here. And see a column of black smoke up ahead. So we'll continue down the street. This truck's now on scene and we can get off that truck as the crew leader. Smoke appears to be coming from the back of the house. So we'll go around the back and have a bit of a look. We've got gas bottles there. You can see it appears to be in this back corner only. We can open up that window. See there's definitely flame in that window, in that back room. Some rubbish on this side. If we open up this back door, can we see any flame in the back? No, it still appears to be clear. So now we've done our size up and we're ready to task our crews. Okay, so the second truck has just arrived on scene, and that note that pops up says that the crew leader of that truck needs a briefing, and there he is. So we can give him a briefing and then he'll go off and get his crew ready, but we can't get them to come out and do what we ask them. Just got to use our imagination. Okay, at this point the third truck's about to turn up. We'll get a little note pop up on the screen. There it is. Now when we hit the space bar, we'll be transported automatically to the front, like that. And there's our crew leader of the third truck. She needs a briefing. So once again, we can brief her on what we need her crew to do, and she'll go off and tell them. Okay, from this point on, we're just going to let this scenario play its way out. You'll see the fire build up a little bit more than this, and then over the next couple of minutes, it'll start to die down again until we've just got a little bit of smoke coming out of the roof, and then the smoke will disappear and the scenario will be finished. So now the flames have died down a little bit and they're no longer coming up through the roof. It looks like they've just about got this one under control. So the flames appear to have disappeared altogether now. We have a look through the window. No, we can't see any flames. Just a little bit of smoke coming out through the top of the roof. At this point you'll see the smoke has just died away and we put the fire out, so a successful firefight. Now we'll reset back to when the third truck appeared on scene and we'll give that crew leader a briefing. She goes off to brief her crew and we'll go down the back. The fire is in exactly the same spot it was when we briefed her last time. Only this time we're going to hit a bit of a shortcut key and we'll see what happens when that shortcut key is hit. Okay, so this time you'll see the fire starting to spread throughout the house. It's actually going to fully involve the house and it'll be going from end to end. So now you can see the house is fully involved. If we go around the front, we'll see that it's also moved to the front of the house as well as the back of the house. And the crews could be here for a bit longer this time. The programming on this doesn't actually go right through to the end, so it won't die down like it did last time. Okay, so we'll reset again and go back to where the third truck's just arriving on scene. We'll give that crew leader a briefing again. She can go off and tell her crew what to do. This time we've hit a different shortcut key. You'll see the gas bottles are starting to vent. Obviously we forgot to cool the gas bottles down and now they've just exploded. So again, just showing that we've taken on a third scenario using the same program. Just depends on the decisions that the crew leader makes.